Tatlo, apoy ng impyerno, lake of fire, o langit. It sounds very corny, but before I was converted, I would not believe this. Ako'y politiko, ako'y nagnegosyo, hindi ko naniniwala sa mga bagay na ito. Ngunit, nung ako'y nagkaroon ng karamdaman na wala ng pag-asa sa ospital, napilitan ako maniwala sa nagsabi sa akin, na ang karamdaman ay bunga ng kasalanan. Sa oras, mapatawad kasi ang kasalanan. Ang karamdaman mo na bunga ng kasalanan gagaling. Tinanggap ko si Kristo, mahal na Panginoon, at ako'y nagpabaptis sa pangalan ni Jesus. Ang karamdaman ko na bunga ng kasalanan gumaling sa pangalan ni Jesus. I began to search the scriptures. I began to read the Bible. Napakalaga pala ang salita ng babatay ng Panginoon. For going to heaven is the greatest matter of importance. And it is urgent for any time you're going to sleep in death. Going to heaven and skipping the fires of hell is so important. I could even read 30 years ago, 25 years ago, when I would fast 40 days. For months, I would read 50, 60 chapters a day. Tiniyak ko na aking binabasa ay totoo. Ang aking nabasa sa Biblia, nangyari sa buhay ko, na ang Diyos ay nagpapagaling, ang Diyos ay nagpapagulo ng tao. That the cowards and the fearful and unbelieving will have a part in the lake of fire where Rome's not that on fire is never quenched. Nang mga duwag matakutin, itatapon sa apoy ng impyerno. As a miner, I could become billionaire in just 2 years or 3 years. But I left mining when I was healed by insomnia. After I was prayed for, after believing the gospel, the power of God to salvation, I became a born-again Christian. It was proven beyond any shadow of a doubt that the gospel is true. It's the power of God unto salvation to those who believe. Ebanghelyo ni Kristo